Oncue is an all-in-one moving software and booking platform. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get customer information and leads through our web form. This is a web form that you'll be able to showcase on your website, and it can be customized with your company's logo and your company name. You can actually use this web form in a number of different ways. It can be used as a URL that you could send out via email to potential customers. You could bookmark this URL and send it out to someone, say, that you happen to talk to at a party who's interested in booking with a move. You could shoot this URL to them via text. You can also use it in a bunch of other places like Facebook Messenger autorespons or Nextdoor or Craigslist. And so I'm going to show you here how to get started with it. Let's just pretend that I am a customer. I happen to land on this URL and I am going through the process here. And one of the cool things that you'll be able to see as a customer for your company is that you'll be able to showcase all of the reviews that you've gotten as a company. So if I were a customer and I click on view all reviews, I'd be able to scroll through and see verified customer reviews of customers that have booked moves with you. And I think this is a great tool to use to show that you are a credible company in the space. So I'll close out of this and I'll get started here by clicking start. Let's just say I want to start moving on the 15th. So I'll click here and then next. I'll be moving from this zip code. So I type that in, click next, to this zip code here and click next. I'm going to be moving an apartment. So I'll click next here. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. I'll click next here. And then lastly, I'll put in my contact info. So I'll type in my name here and my phone number and click next. And then lastly, my email address and hit submit. And then when the customer hits submit, they'll get a thank you confirmation here at the top. Okay, then going back here into the software, you can see here that the customer journey through the web form has been completed. You can see the new lead here that was created with this customer. So I'm just going to click on it here and you'll be able to see all the details that the customer entered, the date that he's looking to move, some of the basic details, and you'll be ready to follow up with that customer and hopefully get that customer converted from a lead to a book move. So if you're interested in getting started and want to book a free demo with us, just go to oncue.co and click on the Contact Us form.